Hello dear friends and dear students. Welcome to our channel. Actually, today's video is very special. We are talking about mannerism and etiquettes. And in English, there is one topic named models. We should know when to use will, when to use would, when should use can, when should use could, etc. You might have seen in many classrooms, students openly ask the teacher, "Sir, will you move?" or "Sir, will you repeat?" I think that's wrong from manners point of view or etiquette's point of view. The same student should use, "Sir, would you move? Sir, would you repeat?" Because we should know when to use will and we should know when to use would. But don't worry, this video will be in Hindi as well as in English. English for, of course, improvement of your communication, and Hindi for understanding, because understanding is more important. And today in this video, we are going through certain manners and etiquettes related expressions. कभी भी याद रखो, manners make a man. There is a very famous proverb, manners make a man. Vidya vinena shobhate. And especially childhood or student age is the best age to imbibe such mannerism or etiquettes. एक बार बच्चों को मालूम हो गया कि will कब यूज करना चाहिए, would कब यूज करना चाहिए, can कब यूज करना चाहिए, could कब यूज करना चाहिए, आई एम श्योर लाइफ लॉन्ग दे विल रिमेंबर, बट दे शुड नो एंड दे शुड एक्वेंट. और आज की वीडियो में देखेंगे कि क्लासरूम में टीचर से बात करते वक्त, टीचर को रिक्वेस्ट करते वक्त, मीन्स विच लैंग्वेज शुड वी यूज, हाउ कैन वी मेंटेन आवर एटिकेट्स. वन मोर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स से, सर कैन आई कम इन. एक्चुअली कैन आई कम इन नहीं, इट शुड बी एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मे आई कम इन. बिकॉज कैन आई कम इन, कैन आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं उनके लिए यूज करना चाहिए, और मे परमिशन के लिए आपकी उम्र में जो बड़े हैं. सो आज के वीडियो में देखेंगे कि व्हेन टू यूज कैन, व्हेन टू यूज कुड, व्हेन टू यूज विल, व्हेन टू यूज वुड, shall, should, etc. etc. Get ready? Now I am going to move the screen now. So topic name is models. Just a minute. Topic name is models. Models and their functions. As you know, it plays a role for students from 5th standard to 12th standard or all competitive exams. This topic plays a vital role or very great role. And in this video, we are going through its functions, its application. But the greatest thing that this topic will teach you mannerism and etiquettes. So I will move to the next screen. So my dear students and dear friends, look at the screen. Let me adjust the strength of the screen. That's fine. Helping verb. Helping verb are also known as supporting verbs. They are also known as auxiliary verbs. Correct? Primary helping verb, modals and marginals. They are the types of helping verbs. So firstly you should know, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि what are modals. Actually modals are the part of helping verb. Helping verbs are also known as supporting verb and auxiliary verb. Am I right? So there are three types. First is primary helping verb, second is modal, and third is of course marginals. In primary helping verb, as you know, am, is, or was, were, they are called as to be forms. They are called as to be forms. Just a minute. They are called as to be forms. Correct? Am, is, or was, were. Next one, modals. Will, shall, can, may, must. I repeat, will, shall, can, may, must. They are the modals, and their past tense will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must. My dear student, this topic plays a great role. आपने देखे होंगे 94% इंग्लिश इस टॉपिक के बिना जिंदा रहती नहीं. एवरीवेयर वी यूज मे आई कम इन, मे आई आस्क समथिंग, मे आई गो, कैन आई हेल्प यू, लाइक दैट. आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि व्हेन टू यूज कैन, व्हेन टू यूज कुड, एंड दिस टॉपिक विल क्लियर ऑल योर डाउट्स. डोंट वरी. ओके. So modals are the parts of helping verb. Helping verb also known as supporting verb and auxiliary verbs. And last is marginal or to, need and dare. सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन के लिए नहीं, ये आपके सिलेबस में टॉपिक है, एंड श्योरली इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल टू यू. अब देखेंगे will, when to use will, when to use would, and when to use shall and should, etc. My dear student, first function of will, very important. पहला function है will का. Will should be used for future action. I repeat, will should be used for future action. Look at the screen properly. Is it clear? All right. So will is, as you know, very common. Will used for future action. For example, he will become doctor, he will become collector, I will come tomorrow, etc. etc. So will use for future action. Correct? Next one, will use for promise. कौन सा वचन देने के लिए will should be used? Don't worry, my dear friends, I will help you. So you can say parents, surely mummy, papa, I will get very good marks, or I will score good marks. Correct? So it plays a role. Next, वचन देने के लिए इसके बाद याद रखो, will should be used. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, विल शुड बी यूज फॉर थ्रेट, धमकी देने के लिए. ये यूज मत करो, जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग. धमकी देने के लिए, आई विल सी यू, I will take revenge, but don't use, just I'm telling the function. Am I right? Next one, determination, निश्चय के लिए, I will achieve my target, I will crack NEET, I will crack JEE, etc. etc. Okay. Next, will use, हाँ, this is very important. Now this is very important. Will should be used for request. लेकिन आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं, एंगर है उनके लिए. और एक बात, बड़ी बात, never say he is my small brother, he is my younger brother. Never say he is my big brother. No, he is my elder brother. I often listen such this from students. He is my small brother, he is my big brother. No, he is my elder brother, he is my younger brother. Don't commit this mistake. Okay. So इसके बाद याद रखो, आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए will should be used. I will help you. Will you come tomorrow? उम्र में छोटे हैं. Will you come here? Will you help me? Etc. etc. Okay. Next one, more definite. It's like guarantee. Don't worry, they will come. More definite. Don't worry, it will happen. More definite. Okay. Next, will use for assurance. You know, assurance. Actually, assurance, guarantee more or less same. Or more definite also, and certainty also. So assurance के लिए क्या use करना चाहिए? Will. Oh, they will come tomorrow. I will ask you. Etc. etc. Okay. Next one. So they are the function of will. I repeat once again. Will use for future action. Will use for promise. Will use for threat. And will use for determination. निश्चय, request. लेकिन I told you very important fact. इसके बाद याद रखो, जिंदगी में आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए will should be used. बड़ों को नहीं. बड़ों को क्या है वो बाद में देखेंगे. Next one, more definite assurance. So they are the functions of will. I hope you understand. Okay. So they are the functions of will. Now I am moving to the next screen. Would. This is very important now. Would. Look at the screen now. Would should be used polite request. Would should be used polite request. इसके बाद याद रखो, very important fact I am telling you. आपकी उम्र में जो बड़े हैं, एल्डर से, सीनियर से, कभी भी उनको रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए would यूज करना चाहिए. सर, would you repeat the point? Sir, would you revise? Sir, would you revise this point? Sir, would you take revision? Sir, would you move aside? Etc. Generally मैं देखता हूँ बच्चे commonly say, sir, move. No, don't use that. It's arrogance. It's impolite nature. So always say, would you move aside? Sir, would you repeat the point? Etc. Etc. Right? Papa, would you give me 100 rupees for my birthday party or maybe my friend's party? Etc. etc. Okay. So would should be used. इसके बाद याद रखो, जो आपकी उम्र में बड़े हैं उनको क्या यूज करना चाहिए? would. और जो उम्र में छोटे हैं उनकी क्या यूज करना चाहिए? रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए will should be used. टीचर ने बच्चों को विल यू रिवाइज टुमारो? टीचर ठीक है, बट बच्चों ने टीचर को, सर वुड यू रिवाइज इट? सर वुड यू रिपीट इट? एक्सेट्रा. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, विश, इच्छा. I would like to help you. I would like to go there. I would like to ask some question. I would like to attend your party, but sorry. I would like to give you money, but sorry. Wish, इच्छा. Okay. Next one. Would shows past habit. वो बहुत खेला करता था. He would play a lot. वो हमारे घर आया करता था. He would come to our home. वो क्रिकेट खेला करता था. He would play a lot. सचिन खिड़कियां बहुत तोड़ा करता था. सचिन would break the pans of that window or maybe that glass. Okay. Next one. Condition. If he worked, he would pass. If he came, I would be happy. If he asked, I would answer. So that is called condition. Correct? So would के function, my dear students, first polite request. जादव sir और I told you very important fact. Henceforth जिंदगी में कभी याद रखो, बड़ों को रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए would should be used. Correct? So would, polite request, would shows wish, would shows past habit, and would shows condition. Is it clear? Now move to the next one. Should. बच्चे लोग याद रखो, every advice, every suggestion should के बिना पूरी नहीं होती. Every advice should. You should eat fruits. You should come on time. You should listen to your parents. Every salah, every advice, every suggestion should be used. Clear? Next one, morality. नैतिक बातें. गरीबों की सेवा करनी चाहिए, बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए. Morality. You should help the poor. You should come here. You should respect your parents. You should respect your teachers. So morality, नैतिक बातें. You know नैतिक बातें? Yes, morality. Next one, nominal compulsion. तुझे आना पड़ेगा, you must come. लेकिन तू आना चाहिए, you should come. तुझे जाना पड़ेगा, you must go. तू जाना चाहिए, यू शुड। तुझे फल खाने पड़ेंगे, यू मस्ट ईट फ्रूट्स। लेकिन तू फल खाना चाहिए, यू शुड ईट फ्रूट। इंटरेस्टिंग। सो दे आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ शुड। नेक्स्ट वन, शल, विच वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बच्चे लोग याद रखो बेटा, शाल आई और वी के लिए जनरली शाल शुड बी यूज। आई एंड वी के लिए क्या यूज करना चाहिए? शाल। सॉरी, I shall become doctor, we shall become doctor, I shall go there, we shall go there. Actually I we के सामने will भी use कर सकते हैं, no problem. When I say I shall pass, it's okay. But when I say I will pass, it shows determination. I shall go, इसमें इतना दम नहीं है, मैं जाऊंगा, लेकिन जाऊंगा I will go. So that makes a difference. I hope the screen is visible to you. All of you? Correct. Next one. Permission. Shall I go? Shall I ask something? Shall we attend the party? Sir, shall I ask one question? It shows permission. Am I right? It shows permission. Okay? So that is the function of shall. I hope you understand. Next one, may. It's very important. May I come in? May I ask you? May I go there? May I tell the fact? ये सब क्या दिखाता है? परमिशन। इसके बाद बड़ों को कभी भी परमिशन मांगते वक्त मे शुड बी यूज। सर, may I ask something? Sir, may I come in? Can I come in? नहीं। Sir, can I ask something? No. May I ask something? Sir, may I go? May I tell? May I leave now? Etc. etc. Okay? So may use for permission. I hope you understand. Next one, may use for possibility, and that is also positive possibility. It may happen. They may come. They may come soon. Possibility. Yes, he may become a doctor. He may become a collector, etc. etc. Next one, wish. May God bless you. May you enjoy life. May you enjoy your journey, etc. etc. So may use for wish. Blessing, आशीर्वाद देने के लिए. May you enjoy, may God bless you, etc. etc. Okay? Next one, but might use for less possibility. जब मैं बोलता हूं कि I may pass the exam, there is a good possibility. But at the same time when I say I might pass the exam, there is less possibility. He may come, there is good possibility. But at the same time when I use he might come, there is less possibility. Interesting. It may rain, there is good possibility. It might rain, there is less possibility. So might use for less possibility and may use for good possibility. Okay. Next one, can. It's very important. Can. Correct. He can pass the exam. It shows ability. He can go there. It shows ability. He can become collector. It shows ability. So can use for ability. Can use for capacity. You know, he can eat 5 chapatis. Capacity. This room can, encompass or maybe digest 1,000 people. Capacity. Room is hall actually. This tank actually can store 1,000-liter water. It shows capacity. Interesting. Next one, can use for request. लेकिन आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं उनके लिए can use करो. That's why I told you. Will और can request करने के लिए, लेकिन आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं. Sir, can I go? No. May I go? छोटों की, हाँ, टीचर बोल रहे बच्चों, कैन आई गो नाउ? यस. कैन यूज फॉर रिक्वेस्ट, बट आपकी उम्र छोटे हैं. परमिशन, लेकिन आपकी उम्र छोटे हैं, आप टीचर को नहीं बोलेंगे यू कैन गो सर. नो सर, यू मे गो. यू कैन कम सर, यू मे कम. यू कैन अटेंड द पार्टी. नो, यू मे अटेंड द पार्टी. परमिशन देने के लिए उम्र में जो छोटे हैं उनके लिए कैन, और जो बड़े हैं उनके लिए मे. क्लियर? दैट्स वेरी. इसलिए कभी भी ये मत पूछो कैन आई कम इन सर. नो, मे आई कम इन सर, बिकॉज मे यूज फॉर एल्डर्स. परमिशन. Okay, I hope you understand. So first function is it shows ability. Second function it shows capacity. Third it shows request, and last it shows permission. लेकिन request और permission आपकी उम्र में जो छोटे हैं, बड़ों के लिए नहीं है. बड़ों के लिए क्या यूज करना चाहिए? सर, would you repeat? छोटों के लिए can you repeat? Correct. छोटों के लिए can I come in? और बड़ों के लिए may I come in? I hope you understand. Okay. Next one. Now could shows polite request. इसके बाद बच्चों लोग याद रखो, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स याद रखो, आपकी उम्र में जो बड़े हैं उनके लिए आप रिक्वेस्ट करते वक्त वुड और कुड यूज कर सकते हैं. सर, वुड यू रिपीट? सर, कुड यू रिपीट? सर, वुड यू रिवाइज? सर, कुड यू रिवाइज? सर, कुड यू रिपीट द पॉइंट? सर, वुड यू रिपीट द पॉइंट? लेकिन कौन सी हालत में ये मत बोलो विल यू रिपीट द पॉइंट और कैन यू रिपीट द पॉइंट, बिकॉज मैनर्स मेक अ मैन. विद्या विनयेन शोभते. दैट्स व्हाई बड़ों को रिक्वेस्ट कैन, कुड और वुड, और छोटों को कैन और विल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, henceforth you will say, sir, could you repeat? Sir, would you repeat? Sir, could you revise? Sir, would you revise? Etc. Okay, next one, must. It's very interesting. Must shows compulsion. Can you use must for elders? No. You must come. जो उम्र में छोटे हैं. Compulsion, शक्ति. For example, obligation. Obligation, compulsion meaning is same. Yes. Order. You must go. You must attend the party. You must come here, etc., etc. Strong likelihood. It must happen. It must rain. Strong likelihood. Interesting? I hope you understand. Next one, ought to. Ought to shows duty. You ought to come on time. You ought to attend it. It shows duty. Duty means kartavya. You ought to study. Interesting. Next one, disapproval of something. You oughtn't do it. तुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए. You oughtn't go there. तुझे वहाँ पे जाना नहीं चाहिए. Yes. And desirability means इच्छा. We ought to work hard. हमारी इच्छा है काम करने की. We ought to work for you. We ought to help you. So, my dear students, they are the functions of models. I hope you understand, because they play a great role to improve our English, to improve our communication. That's why English should not be considered as a subject. English should be considered as a tool for your personality, as a tool for your confidence, and as a gateway of your career. That's why I hope you understand, and surely this video is very helpful for students, especially to maintain manners and etiquettes. वीडियो कैसा लगा आप जरूर लिखेंगे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स कमेंट बॉक्स में आई विल बी हैप्पी टू गेट योर कमेंट्स. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. मीनवाइल आई टेक योर काइंड लीव. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम. बाय बाय.